eat banana and avocado every morning, this will happen to your body. Benefits of consuming bananas and avocados. First, this mixture is an incredible nutrient powerhouse. Both bananas and avocados are packed with important vitamins, minerals, and unique compounds for our body. Bananas are a great source of vitamin B6, manganese, potassium, and copper. They also contain good levels of fiber and several antioxidants. Avocados will also provide many great nutrients. This includes vitamin K, folate, vitamin B5, and vitamin E. They also provide an important healthy fats and contain a good amount of fiber as well. Two, combining and consuming bananas mixed with avocado can also help to support the overall health of our heart in many different ways. Bananas are an excellent source of the heart-healthy mineral potassium, which can help to control blood pressure and lower the risk of heart disease. Their good amount of magnesium, antioxidants, and fiber also promote the health of our cardiovascular system. Avocados are also great for heart health. They are packed with monounsaturated fatty acids and oleic acid, which reduce the risk that associated with heart disease. Avocados also contain great levels of potassium, helping to reduce blood pressure and the risk of heart attacks. Three, this mixture can also help to improve digestion and digestive health. Bananas, especially more unique varieties, are beneficial in this regard due to the unique types of fiber found in them. They contain two types of fiber known as betaine and resistant starch. Resistant starch can help to improve nutrients uptake from the food we eat and importantly promote the growth of good bacteria in the gut. Avocados are also important for overall digestive health due to their unique fat contained. Avocados can help with the absorption of healthy nutrients from the foods we eat. They can help with the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients and antioxidants, as well as promote the movement of food through the digestive tract. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.